Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know how your team in sales are really performing? In this video, I'll show you how to use the free built-in analytics dashboards in Bitrix24. First, go to the Reports section in your main menu. Here you'll find several key areas. Click on CRM Analytics. This is your sales command center. You'll see the sales funnel report, which shows how many deals are in each stage and where you might be losing customers. Next, check the sales graph. This visual report shows new deals over time, so you can spot your busy periods and track growth. For team productivity, go to Workflow Analytics. Here you can see reports on task efficiency and employee workload. This shows you who's completing tasks on time and who might be overwhelmed. You can also view individual employee activity reports, showing calls made, tasks completed, and deals worked on. While the free plan has some limits, these core dashboards give you a powerful real-time view of your business health without any complex setup. And that's it. You're now using data to make smarter decisions and drive your business forward. If these reports give you a valuable insight, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.